Okay, we've got some text to read, so let's do our underlining. So she started work 20 years ago. We've got a salary in year 1. Oh, okay, that looks like a first term to me. And then we've got amount that it increased by each year. So I think we are looking here at an AP, and I think we've got a value of A and D. And it gives us some illustrations just so we understand what's going on. So convince yourself that this is an arithmetic progression and write down what A equals and D equals. Okay, and then this continued until she reached her maximum salary of 32,000 in year K, and then she doesn't get paid anymore. So it's going to stop being an AP at that point. So we know that her salary in year K was £32,000. Okay, and up to that point it is an arithmetic progression. So you have to decide whether this is a UN or an SN. Okay, and so the whichever it is, UN or SN, is going to equal £3,200. Okay, so decide which. Plug in your A and D values. You don't know what N is, but you're going to find, well, N is K, isn't it? In year K, so it's the nth year. Well, it's the kth year, so take N to be K. So quote your formula, put in A and D, use K instead of N, solve for K, and that will do part A for you. Okay, and then we've got to find the total amount that Jess has earned over the full 20 years. Okay, so you've got to be careful. Total suggests, ooh, you're going to use SN. But that only works up to a point. It's only up until she earns this 32,000 that it's an AP. So you need to use the SN formula. That's fair enough. But use it. You now know how many years it took to reach this. So if you can use the SN formula for the years where her salary is increasing for a value of N that isn't 20, okay, and then the extra years after that, it's easy because she's just earning that amount every year. So you have to use your intelligence here, but an SN for a suitable number of years gets you started, and then you can just add on the extra years at £32,000. So I hope that helps.